Hello friends, welcome to ledtvrepair. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.
Hi friends, welcome to ledtvrepair. It's a 32-inch LG LED TV. Here in this TV, here you can see the motherboard is damaged due to lightning. See friends, you can see the lightning marks on the HDMI port in this motherboard. See, this board is damaged, the main IC, due to lightning. So instead of this default motherboard, here we are going to install the Universal LCD LED double HDMI motherboard in this TV. See friends, this is the power supply board of this TV. Here first we shorted the power on with 3.3 volt. See friends, we here shorted the tracks power on with 3.3 to enable 12 volt input VCC. After that, here we connected the wires 12 volt input VCC ground and backlight on connection. Here black wire is the ground, red wire is the 12 volt input VCC and yellow wire is the backlight drive on pin. See friends, here we connected all wires in sockets including the sensors. See, this is the universal board that we are using in this TV. It's a V56 U11 double HDMI motherboard. This is the LVDS cable. Here the supply is in right side and it's a 12 volt panel. So here we in the universal board we put the panel jumper input VCC in 12 volt. See friends, you can see now it's turned on. See, the default sensor is working properly. See friends, here you can see the result. Now the picture comes and the TV is working fine. Now we need to connect the speaker wires. See friends, finally here we fitted the universal motherboard in this TV back cover. See friends, you can see finally now the work is done and here you can see the result. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Here the TV is repaired successfully. Thank you for watching. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.